Can you do that for free, or are you just going to throw that in for me? Has this ever happened to you with a homeowner expects you to do something for free or just throw something in? Happens to us every now and then. And this is my response, and I wanted to share it with you. I'm Ron Ramsden. I'm a DYB coach, also painting contractor. So I'm out in the field some days with my crews. And talking to customers, they just think that while you're here, do you mind painting a door? While you're mind, it's only a little thing, can you patch that hole? And they try to get away not paying for it. They just feel like it's for them. They should be able to ask this. You're there anyways, let's do it for free. Well, this is my response, and it's worked very, very well the last few years I've done it. First of all, if they ask a crew leader, he says, well, we can write up an additional work order, and they know what to charge. But if they do ask, we say we love to do charity work. And our charity this year is, and we name the charity. And we always have a charity we work for. This year just happens to be Debbie's Treasure Chest. We tell them what we do for that charity, and that's where all our work goes that we're doing for free and for charity this year. And they kind of get the hint that they're not our charity. But we also offer to, when we're on a job site, to write these up, as I say, additional work orders, or schedule a new estimate. Write the estimate, schedule for additional work. This usually ends the conversation, or then they realize that, well, maybe I should just do this. Maybe it's more than just something small. You know, we're in here to make money. It's nice when you're starting out to throw one of these things in every now and then, but we can't pay the bills by doing that kind of work for customers. If you choose to pick a charity that means something to you. You can also share that on social media and other things like that, but do it from your heart. You know, don't do it for the homeowner who's looking to have a couple extra doors painted. Yeah, it's a nice thing to do, but time is money, and we're here to make a dollar. When's the last time you went to your mechanic and he threw in an oil change? It just doesn't happen. Anyways, I'm Ron Ramsden, DYB coach, painting contractor. If you want to reach out to me, please find me here on Facebook. Send me a message, or you can find me at ron@dybcoach.com. Sorry, I'm driving right now. ron@dybcoach.com. Love to chat with you. Hit me up. Bye.